Welcome back, you guys, to another full day in Bali. Today we are going to do some touristy stuff. We're going to take a look at some temples and some different areas. Maybe be able to get the drone up, I'm not really sure. Woke up this morning to a 5.7 magnitude earthquake. That was a bit of a shocker. The house that we're staying in, we were on the second floor and it was shaking quite a lot, but all is good. It doesn't seem to have affected anything, and maybe later on today, if it doesn't rain tonight, we're going to get out and look for reptiles, so stay tuned for that for sure.
I have to put this on.
Then let me put it
Yes. Okay, good. Okay, so we put on our sarong as part of the tradition coming to temples, pretty much temples anywhere, and so we are now traditional and going to be allowed to enter this area. Someone lost their sunglasses. This is a really scenic temple set along the cliffside with beautiful sea views down below. Lots of monkeys though, they're thieves. We watched a couple already snatch some sunglasses right off people's faces, so you have to be really careful. I'm sure my camera is quite interesting to them, so I need to make sure that no one's grabbing any of that stuff. Little guys.
This one look super jumbo.
That one was ready to climb up my leg right there. So we're at the city center park. There's a lot of soccer games going on in here. We're going to take a look at this center monument. It's pretty interesting looking. Some people in there. Probably have to put on another sarong to go in there. I'm kind of lazy. All right, you guys, so that's about it for today's excitement. We just kind of went around and did a little bit of sightseeing. It was really, really hot. We ended up at the beach, just sat to eat, and that was kind of about it. So it looks like the rain's coming in, which is nice. It's about 4:30 in the afternoon. We were hoping for a little bit of rain because that's going to bring the animals out tonight. So hopefully the rain will come and then it will stop, and then we are heading out. We're actually going to be trekking around that hidden canyon area that we were at, that you saw us going through the water. So we're going to be going through there, but we're going to take like kind of the high road. We're going to be up above the water and look for some animals. Hopefully, if it stops raining and I'm able to bring the cameras out. All right, so more later. How deep is the water? Trying to look for a good spot. Oh, it's gonna come over here. Right here. Good. Be careful, right? Yeah. Okay, you guys, so obviously we have already left on our night trek. I did not do an intro. It was doing a little bit of rain, and the opportunity just didn't present itself. We're like 5 minutes out into this rice paddy, and we found a mangrove snake here in Bali. A really good size one for dendro. This is actually a really big mangrove snake. And this one looks like a boy. Really nice condition. And that's a hell of a way to start out the night. We're actually kind of looking for retics and sunbeams and things like that in the mud in the rice paddies, but this one was down there. You can probably hear the water flowing in the background, so it was down there along the side of the water, probably looking for frogs. But that is a beautiful snake, really nice. All right, we're off to a good start, I would say. I think the rain, the little bit of light rain that we had before we started, is probably a really good trigger for what we might find as we move along this trail here. So there you have it, mangrove snake. Alright you guys, so now we have the intro. It is late. We are already broken a sweat. We're all dirty and muddy because we already checked out that rice area. But we are into a new spot now, so wanted to introduce the group. I got a really capable team with me. I got some old eyes, some young eyes, but the old guys are wise. They know what they're looking for, so we're gonna go check this out. You're not gonna want to miss it. Let's do it.
I'm on.
Jalan. Tunggu mấy bên lông tunggu mấy.
So here we have a big vine snake. This guy was sleeping on top of the treetops, and one of our older friends climbed up and got it down, just like I told you guys. But that is very big. And looks like a female. And I'm trying to palpate and feel if this is food. It's a little bit high for babies. No, I think that's a meal. These guys are pretty much lizard eaters exclusively, and so kind of feels like some kind of a gomid or something in there. It's right in the perfect spot for the stomach. But this is a rear fang snake, and their bites don't feel real great. So be a little bit careful handling this guy. And if you've never seen one of these before, the tongue is not broken. That's how they do it. They stick that tongue straight out without flicking it. And that way, when they're actually hunting prey, it doesn't break up their silhouette while they're moving through the branches. It just looks like another twig, just a piece of the tree or the foliage. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. Uh-oh, hold on to that banana. Oh.
Bên đây. Gắt. Ui, bird. Oh, Fiji.
Đón semua dah. Hah? Đón semua dah.
These agamids are daytime active. At night, pretty easy to spot up in the tree. You know, they're just sleeping up there. If they're within reach or almost within reach, they're pretty easy to grab because they're just asleep up in there. But pretty cool looking, bigger size guy. We're visiting an animal market here in Bali. I've been to many animal markets, so I kind of have a preconceived notion of what I'm about to see. Not really going to show everything, but I'm definitely looking for some interesting animals, and I'm being told that the cameras are no problem, so we are going to go check this out. I'm already seeing monkeys and birds and all sorts of interesting stuff. So if I see anything really out of the ordinary, I will definitely show you guys. And it looks pretty big. I mean, it goes all the way down there. I see a lot of bird cages and things. So let's check it out. Okay, at the moment we are in Ubud, and this is the Campuhan Ridge Walk. Never been here before. I've actually never even heard of it, but I looked at some pictures on the internet and it looks really beautiful. Currently we're walking down a really steep slope right now, and I don't know, I guess at some point we get to some elevation and we're walking along a ridge is what common sense is telling me, but oh, it's very beautiful. This is going to be really nice. Wow, you guys, with every turn it just gets more beautiful. I don't know if I want to look at all this stone carving, this beautiful wall, or I want to go to the right and look at this beautiful running water down here. Wow, this is really something else, you guys. Very overwhelming. These are some really big walls. A lot of really nice stonework. that's pretty much it from Bali, from us. And we see you in Thailand. Thanks for watching. Take care.